My name is Yunari Gamage, containing ID number ID20647964. We have developed an Ayurvedic e-commerce website. So this Ayurvedic e-commerce website is a secure and scalable platform built on the MERN stack, which provides a robust foundation for building web applications. The website provides an e-commerce platform for buying and selling Ayurvedic products. The website is deployed on a Kubernetes cluster, which provides a scalable and resilient infrastructure for running the application. The application is containerized using Docker, which provides a consistent and reproducible environment for running the microservices and make up the application. So this website provides features such as product management, user management, cart management, and feedback management. Joy is used for data validation, which ensures that incoming data meets the required format and required types. Then, Postman is used for testing and debugging the API endpoints, which make it easier to identify and fix issues. JWT is used for user authentication and authorization, which provide a secure and efficient way to transmit user information between the front end and the back end. And again, the website also uses a REST API, which is a standardized way to communicate between the front end and back end. The REST API provides a self set of endpoints for accessing and manipulating resources. Then, such the API is built using Express and Node.js, which provide a fast and efficient way to build RESTful web services. The website source code is stored on GitHub, which mentions control and collaboration tools for the development team. With version control, the team can manage the code base, track bugs, and maintain a history of code changes. Overall, this Ayurvedic web system is secure, scalable, and reliable platform built on a modern web technologies by leveraging Kubernetes, Docker, Manstack, Joy, Postman, JWT, and REST API. So then the team has built a web application that provides a seamless user experience and robust security features. So, considering about my part, my ID number is ID20647964. I have done the user management of the site. So, there's an option for login. If you are a new user, you can register by entering name, username, email, and password. And if you are already a member, you can log in with this site. So if you have a login, you can view the home page. For when we talk about the coding side, this is the services class for the user backend, and this is the user control class, and this is the model for the user, and this file contains the routes for the user, and this is the Docker file, and this is the Kubernetes file. Thank you.
Hi, I am HDPL Gunasekara with ID number ID20648954, and I have developed product microservice in our system, and this is admin dashboard of product management site, and we can add the product using this page, and we have to enter item code, name, price, quantity, category, and description, and image, and also you can view all products up here, and you can delete or edit and individual products from this, and this is my code base, and this is a routes page of product microservice, and from route page just navigate to this one. This is my controller page, and there's several controllers, add product, get product, and yeah, many more, and this is my product service page, and is connected to the MongoDB, and this also have different functions, and yeah, and I use Joy validation for validated forms. This is one of my validate form, and yeah, and I have used JW authentication for authenticate the users, and this is that file. We request JWT token from front end, and we validate that from this page, and Yeah, and this is my Docker script, and yeah, this is my Kubernetes script, and yeah, that's all up to my side. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. I'm Imenti Ahmed with the student ID IT20648190. So for this assignment, we have developed an Ayurvedic e-commerce website in which the customers can access products and order them online. So my part of this development is product feedback, which means the customers can access product, individual product, and inside this uh, product page, there's a button called leave a review. So if he needs to leave any feedback, he can click this button. Uh, then a model box pops up requesting the email, satisfactory rate from 0 to 10, and the message. So here he can add his email and add a satisfactory rate within 10. It can't exceed 10, which is a validation, and leave a message. For example, very good. And once he clicks the submit review button, an alert box pops up with the message review successfully added. So when we see the code, so this is the code of the model. Yes. So this is the code of the model, as you can see, and then the root. So here are the CRUD operations for feedback. This is the add feedback, update feedback, delete feedback, get feedback, which means you can display all the feedback. So this get all means get all the feedback. Get feedback means get a particular feedback. Search for a particular feedback. So so this middleware is used to for authentication of the user before adding a review, and the validation. This validation is for we have used Joy validation to validate each and every attributes. So as you can see, this is the Docker file. Um, this is the Kubernetes file we have added for the feedback. And, in the server.js, it shows the port which is running, which is 5003. And this is how the backend is connected to the MongoDB. So that is all for my part. Thank you very much.
Satif, my ID number is ID20644680. So I'm here to demonstrate what I have contributed in the project. So you can see in the screen where the home page through the navigation bar. We can walk through to the product part. So in the product bar, if we click a single product, we can see the single product. So my function is the shopping cart. So if I click add to cart, the product will be added to the cart. So when I move to the cart, we can see the cart with the price and the quantity and the amount. So that's it from the front end. So going through to the back end. Yeah, so here you can see the model. This is the model that I have created for the cart, and this is the route for the cart. So this is the place where I have included the validations for my cart function. So this is the controller of the cart. You can see the HTTP request here, the put post get like that, and the delete one. So here you can see the authentication one where we have used the JWT tokens, and this is the Docker file that we have used. So that's it.